Welcome, everybody. Well, we're about to be into another giveaway here. This one is yesterday's giveaway, which would have been November the 19th. And this one is going to Marsha in Florida. So congratulations, Marsha, and thank you for participating in the giveaway here. And so this one will be going out tomorrow. Now, what are we giving away for the November 20th giveaway? Let's look at that. Well, this one's a large one, so it's going to have to be folded to be sent, but I think it will be okay. When you get it, if you will just press it a little, it'll just straighten right out for you. Okay, let's open it up and see what we got here. This is a piece that you might remember that I did early in the year. Was a study in circles. I did filled all these in with, different stitches here, filled in these flowers. Did all these stitching around, did some tacking with these little threads here, did some different stitching in here, some embroidery. So this has a little bit of everything in it, and it is pretty good sized, but if I fold it, I can get it in my envelope. It's at least an 8.5 by almost 11. Okay. It's a beautiful piece, and I think whoever gets it, you could bind it if you wanted to. It just has the batting on the back. You could put a casing on it and hang it. You could frame it, but I was thinking, it would be pretty if it just had a nice little binding, and then it was set on a table like a doily or scarf or something like that, something to set something pretty on. I thought that would be pretty. But anyway, this is the giveaway for November 20th, okay? And I hope that you'll like that. All right. We got our winner for yesterday, which was Marsha from Florida. And this is what we're giving away today. Don't forget to follow instructions. If you want to be entered to win, you do have to comment on these videos, but you must also have sent in your information by email. And that was in the beginning of this video that told you how to do that. And you only have to do that once. Once I get that information, I keep it on file so that if you become a winner, I can just pull that out. Okay? And then comment on every video that you would like a chance to win. Okay? All right. Till the next one, let's keep on going.